my fans of Telugu. I think Sankranti Subhakankshalu. Happy Pongal to all of you. And yes.
What is your plan for this new decade? It's a new decade also.
I know.
So what do you see yourself doing, over the course of this?
I don't know. Quite a lot of people told me that 2020 is really a nice, fancy number and a lucky number, and it is going to be really exciting and new. So I'm really looking forward, and things are going really well, smooth and great actually from January. So I'm actually believing in that number, and 4 is my lucky number. So somehow, so it's going great.
And how was your Bigg Boss journey? The finalists, and there's so much euphoria around it. How was it being in one house for 100 odd days?
Not 5 days. It was crazy. I loved the experience, and I've been telling this that I love the concept of the show. I've been a part of this reality shows, online shows. So, but something which I was a fan of is Bigg Boss. So I used to watch this Hindi show Bigg Boss since I was 5th standard, and I used to always feel like maybe we should go experience it. But I was not into the industry then, and once after I came into the industry, Bigg Boss never started in Telugu. Then I was quite happy when season 1 came up and they approached me. We had a couple of meetings continuously, but I was doing a lot of shows then, and I couldn't cut down on all my commitments suddenly, and I say let's go to the house. It was quite a risky move to make at that point of time. So I thought, okay, let's wait, because if season 1 is getting started, there is going to be a season 2, 3 and so on. So at season 3 somehow, so I waited for season 1, I waited for season 2, season 3 I couldn't wait. So I thought, if not now, what is the right time? Maybe in a couple of years I'd get married, and I don't want to again come back to this professional life after I get into a zone called marriage or whatever. So I thought this is the right time, maybe let's go. And I've cut down on all my shows, like I quit Patas, then all my major shows were getting over. So I thought, okay, let's do it, and I did it, and it was quite a journey. I was really happy, and I was hosting this Ashwadhama audio launch last night in Khammam. People till today ask me or question me about the house, and they talk about my tattoo, if it is real or no, and
asking here also.
Yeah. So, and also a lot of women especially started admiring me or liking me, which I like the most. I see. What I feel is, if a man likes you, it's like general tendency if a man likes you, but if a woman likes you, it's like a genuine liking. So that's what I enjoy so much, and I had a woman squeezing me to death, almost kissing me yesterday. All that is because of Bigg Boss. So they really liked me or my nature of being me at the house. So it gave me a really good number of followers or fans or like genuine people in life. So thanks to the journey.
Is the tattoo real then?
It's of course real. And what is like really surprising is, even my professional friends try to squeeze it, touch it and do all this kind of shit, and it is real. It is real.
What is the secret behind the tattoo?
Secret behind the tattoo, this was to save Varun Sandesh in the house. So if I had to save Varun Sandesh, I had to get a tattoo done. So I was like, okay, let's go for it. I'll have a lifetime memory, because I like the show also. I thought, okay, I'll have this thing to cherish, and when I see to it, and or when, maybe if I show it to my kids the other day, like not the other day exactly. I think I was a part of Bigg Boss house, so I got a tattoo done there. And that house is something that, even if something like really, really extremely challenging, like cutting your hair or something extremely challenging comes also, you feel like doing it because your fans are watching it, your followers are watching it. What if Srimuki will do it or no? Is she like, will she go that extra step or no? So I wanted to do it, and I did it.
Wow. Yeah. So now what are the other things that you're doing on TV right now?
Because of Bigg Boss, I'm on a commitment yet to the channel Starma. So you are not supposed to go out of go to a different platform or a different channel very soon.
Right.
So it's like 6 months of time that you have to do shows only with Starma.
Okay.
But I have taken up already another show in Gemini called Celebrity Kabaddi League. So I'm hosting that, and I've been doing a lot of pre-release success meets and all. So it's going well. I just want to take it slow, step by step, because after you come back, the kind of decisions you make are really, really important.
Yeah. And any plans for cinema also?
Cinema, I'm not a quiet. I'm not really a big fan of doing films until and unless it's a really challenging role or whatever. And TV is keeping me really, really, really busy that I don't get time to think about why shouldn't I try movies or anything. Even if somebody approaches me saying that we have a story, we want you to listen to it, or it's a good character or something, I'll be like, I'm too lazy to listen to a story also. I got lot of love through TV, right? So I'm like, let's explore only this as much as possible, and let's have a benchmark to the next coming generation. And maybe then think about movies after a couple of years. I'm not really that interested in doing movies right now. Maybe OTT, I would want to do nice web series or something if it comes up, because slowly everything is getting digital. So I think maybe I listened to a couple of stories. So I might do something for OTT platforms. Yeah.
So there is somebody who's called, why people are calling you Hi Ramulamma. What is the story behind that? Is that the name of some character?
Ramulamma, yes. More than Srimukhi, people call me Ramulamma, and when I go to places like Khammam, Warangal, Vizag, Vijayawada, anything let it be, they know me more as Ramulamma because I became this Patas Ramulamma after doing a very crazy step, and somehow everyone liked it. And after I started doing a Ramulamma step, everybody started calling me. And 2020, like I said, is very special because when I was hosting the success meet of Sarileru Neekevaru, the Ramulamma herself, Vijay Shanti garu told, she was like, the Chinna Ramulamma. So she also, I suddenly was like, you know me and you call me Chinna Ramulamma, and that's more than enough. So that is the name that TV audience have given me, and I'm very happy that I'm there, Chinna Ramulamma.
Okay.
Someone is really excited about your marriage. They're asking about when are you marrying.
Even I'm excited. I really want to know when I'm getting married. With my kind of schedules, I find really hard to go explore men, or maybe even if I want to go date somebody, I have to go to a place outside, and if I go outside, there are a lot of eyes on me, and so when it comes to my personal life, I become very like that. So I really don't have time to go check anything, but maybe I'm thinking something should come up. Let's see.
What is your ideal destination place? You went to Maldives recently.
Yeah, I loved it totally, and I would want to go again and again and again. Nothing as of now. I'm just like, if it's a holiday, I'm missing on a lot of events and shoots again. So I'm like checking if I have a plan of going to Bali very soon. So Bali is right now on one of my checklist things. Yeah.
I see. And there are a lot of people here saying, Akka, maaku Telugu ne vastundi, Telugulo
నాకు
మాట్లాడతాను.
తెలుసు కానీ నేను హైదరాబాద్ టైమ్స్ ఆఫీస్ లో ఉన్నాను కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడడం అంటే నేను జనరలీ నా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ హ్యాండిల్ నుంచి లైవ్ వెళ్తే తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతాను, మీ అందరికి తెలుసు. సరే ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ మిక్స్ చేసి కొంచెం ఏదో మిక్స్ ఫ్రూట్ జ్యూస్ చేద్దాం.
So, what is the, TV, I think it has evolved a lot from earlier. Do you think that before it was like the Saat Bahu thing, it was always the same thing going on, Atta Kodalu in TV, Telugu. So now do you think the content in TV also is a lot more, today, that in sync with today?
Yeah, exactly. Ante, now I'm going to answer this a little in Telugu. So ఆయన ఏం అడిగాడంటే, ఒకప్పుడు టీవీ అనేది అత్తా కోడళ్ళు సీరియల్స్ వరకు పర్మిటెడ్ ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఈ మధ్య టీవీ అనేది చాలా ఎవాల్వ్ అయిపోయి టీవీలోని సెలబ్స్ కి కూడా చాలా ఫాలోయింగ్ వచ్చేసింది. హౌ అనేసి ఒకప్పుడు సుమక్క, ఝాన్సీ అక్క, ఉదయభాను గారి జనరేషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇట్ టుక్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైం వాళ్ళకి టు మేక్ ఇట్ బిగ్. కానీ నెక్స్ట్ మేము లైక్ మీ ఆర్ రష్మి ఆర్ అనసూయ వీ కమ్ ఇన్ టు ద సెకండ్ లీగ్ ఆఫ్ టీవీ. మేము వచ్చేసరికి కొంచెం అంటే ఇట్ టుక్ అస్ వాళ్ళకు ఒక 10 years పట్టుంటే మాకు ఒక 5 years పట్టింది. దాని తర్వాత నౌ దిస్ జనరేషన్ లైక్ లెట్ us say విష్ణుప్రియ ఆర్ వర్షిని, ఫర్ దమ్ ఇట్ హెస్ బికమ్ 2 years. సో టీవీ జనాలు అంటే మెల్లిమెల్లిగా సినిమాలనే కాకుండా టీవీని కూడా ఫాలో అవ్వడం చాలా స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. దాని త్రూ టీవీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా చాలా ఫాలోయింగ్ పెరిగి మెల్లిమెల్లిగా టీవీ అనేది కూడా చాలా పెద్ద ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అయిపోయింది. సో అందుకే మాకింత గుర్తింపు ఆర్ మాకింత ఫాలోయింగ్ రావడం జరిగింది. అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు డెఫినెట్లీ ఆల్ ద వ్యూవర్స్. ఎందుకంటే మీరు చూడడం వల్ల, మీరు ఇష్టపడడం వల్ల, అండ్ మేము ఇంకా కష్టపడడం వల్ల వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ నేమ్ ఆర్ ఫేమ్. సో ఎస్, టీవీ హెస్ ఎవాల్వ్డ్ అ లాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
Lot of people are wishing you Happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day, yes. And నేను విష్ చేయడం కుదరలేదు. నిన్న నైట్ 2 o'clock I reached Hyderabad from Khammam, and I wish all the Instagram and Facebook followers of Hyderabad Times a very happy Republic Day. Ganatantra Dinotsava Shubhakankshalu.
When will you be back in Patas? I mean, somebody is asking.
This is the question everyone is asking me. నేను బయటికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నుంచి పటాస్ అనే షోకి నేను మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వెళ్ళడం, నేను చెప్పినట్టు స్టార్మా అనే ఛానల్తో నాకు కమిట్మెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అగైన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు హ్యావ్ అ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ మీటింగ్స్ విత్ స్టార్మా అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు నో వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ వ్యూ అబౌట్ ఇట్. తెలుసుకున్న తర్వాత డెఫినెట్లీ ఒకవేళ కుదిరితే గనక I'll start doing Patas from March. If not, maybe you will get to know. ఒకవేళ చేస్తే మార్చ్ నుంచి చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తాను. ఒకవేళ కుదరకపోతే మాత్రం అది కూడా I'll let you know, guys.
Somebody is saying comedy night show super akka. సుధిగాలి సుధీర్ అన్న అని ఎప్పుడు పిలుస్తారు.
కామెడీ నైట్స్ అయిపోయింది తమ్ముడు. జీ తెలుగులో ఇప్పుడు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో పెడుతున్నారు. ఒకప్పుడు ఓజీ అని ఒక Z5 అని ఒక యాప్ లో వచ్చేది. ఇప్పుడు మెల్లిమెల్లిగా జీ తెలుగు షోస్ అని యూట్యూబ్ లో పెడుతున్నారు అనమాట. సో అది రిపీట్ టెలికాస్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది సుడిగాలి సుధీర్ ఎపిసోడ్ అని అంటే వస్తుంది, చూడండి.
A lot of people are asking the same thing, Prasad.
I know it's hard to find the comments or questions, right? Everyone, hi akka, how are you akka?
One fellow is like, మీ లవ్ ఫెయిలియర్ గురించి చెప్పండి అక్క.
మంచి మూడ్ లో ఉన్న దాన్ని నా లవ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ స్టోరీ గురించి నేను బిగ్ బాస్ హౌస్ లో చెప్పడానికి ఒకే ఒక కారణం, లవ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ అనే పాయింట్ చెప్పి ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు గివ్ అ మెసేజ్ టు ఆల్ ద గర్ల్స్ అవుట్ దేర్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ బికాస్ నాలాంటి అమ్మాయిలు ఉండొచ్చేమో, ఒకవేళ ఉంటే గనక అట్లీస్ట్ 2% or 1%. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ దెమ్ టు అంటే హార్ట్ బ్రేక్ అయిపోయి ఏడ్చుకుంటూ ఒక మూలకు పడి ఉండకుండా, ఐ వాంట్ దెమ్ టు ఓవర్కమ్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ దెమ్ టు బి సెటిల్డ్ ఇన్ లైఫ్ ఫస్ట్. సో ఆ లైఫ్ లో సెటిల్ అయ్యి మమ్మీ డాడీని బాగా చూసుకొని మీకంటూ ఒక ఇండిపెండెంట్ లైఫ్ మీకు వచ్చేలాగా చూసుకొని తర్వాత మీరు లవ్ మ్యారేజ్ లాంటివి చేస్తే బాగుంటుందని నా లవ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ గురించి చెప్పాను. కానీ నా లవ్ స్టోరీ ఎప్పుడు బ్రేకప్ అయింది, నేను ఎంత ఏడిసినా, నా కళ్ళు ఎంత ఉబ్బినాయి, అవన్నీ అవసరమా? I'm happy right now. I'm professionally very happy. Personally also very happy. Professionally ఎందుకంటే చాలా మంచి షోస్ వస్తున్నాయి, అండ్ పర్సనలీ బికాస్ దెర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ లైక్ యూ ఎవ్రీ డే. అంటే పొద్దున్న లేయంగానే ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్. యాక్చువల్లీ దీస్ డేస్ మై ఫ్యాన్స్ నో మై స్కెడ్యూల్స్ బిఫోర్ దెన్ మీ. అక్క రేపు యూఆర్ కమింగ్ టు 7 acres, right? You have start music shoot. So this is what is, I mean, like, you appreciate my work and my personal life lo na habits or anything. Let's not talk about past.
One question somebody is asking is, for 100 days when you were there, or 100 plus days, did you not feel suffocated inside the...
Of course I felt suffocated. I'm a girl who always likes breathing. So 105 days lo, I don't know, 99 days went well. లాస్ట్ 6-7 days ఏదైతే ఉంటాయో, ఇంకొన్ని రోజుల్లో బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం అని అనిపించినప్పుడు తీయండి, ఓపెన్ ద డోర్. దే సడన్లీ హ్యాడ్ దిస్ డిస్కషన్ ఆర్ సమ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ పాప్డ్ అప్ సేయింగ్ దట్ ఇంకొక 1 week ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది షో అంటే, నేను ఉందా, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ఇట్, ఐ వాంట్ టు గో. బికాస్ మెంటలీ ఐ వాస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ దట్ ఓకే 6 days ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ హోమ్, 5 days ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ హోమ్. సఫకేషన్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఉండింది, బట్ దెర్ వర్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టాస్క్స్ విచ్ కెప్ట్ us mentally or physically engaged. సో అప్పుడప్పుడు అనిపించేది, కానీ I overcame that also, so I'm okay.
Did you become good friends with people that you spend time with in the show?
I'm really not. Ante see, in my day-to-day life, because I'm an anchor, I get to meet a lot of TV celebs or cine celebs because of my shows when they come to promote their serials or their movies or anything. So I'm the same with everyone. Now coming to friendship off the records, I'm generally a person who has a very limited circle. I don't have a lot of friends from the industry or anything. If you meet me, I'll be your best of the best friend, and if we are once out of the place, and I'm like, your life is yours, my life is mine, that's it. So with the Big Boss people, are you talking about?
No. And you spend so much time in one house with lot of people. So after
With
the
lot of
show
people, there
also-
are only 3 people. One is RJ Chetu, one is Kirtana, my designer, and one is Vishnu Priya, one of my friends. That's it. You see only this 3 people and maybe Mukku Avinash a lot these days. That's it.
Someone is asking you to say a few words about Rahul.
Rahul, yeah, we met recently after the Big Boss journey. Not immediately, but we met at a place called Prism, and we suddenly bumped into each other, and we forgot everything. Of course, a lot of fights happened in the house and a lot of misunderstandings, but when we met again outside, it was all quite normal.
Then how did you manage to live there in Big Boss house without eating chicken biryani?
అది చాలా 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 కష్టంగా ఉండింది నాకు. ఐ లవ్ చికెన్ బిర్యానీ. సో బిఫోర్ యూ గో టు ద హౌస్, బిగ్ బాస్ హౌస్ కి వెళ్లే ముందు దెర్ ఇస్ అ బిగ్ లిస్ట్ వేర్ ఇన్ యూ రైట్ ఆల్ యువర్ లైక్స్ అండ్ డిస్లైక్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ యూ అఫ్రేడ్ ఆఫ్, వాట్ ఆర్ యూ నాట్, మీకు ఏమైనా ఫోబియా ఉందా, అది ఇది, వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ ఫుడ్స్, వాట్ డూ యూ డిస్లైక్ ఇన్ ఫుడ్, ఆర్ యూ అలర్జిక్ టు ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్. So I wrote in capitals saying that chicken biryani, but it was never sent. It was sent only once or twice, and of course there are a lot of people you cannot eat stomach full. The first thing after I came back from the house, I ate a lot of biryani.
Yeah, another question. Who is your crush? I don't know.
Currently, my only crush from the past few years, even I got married, is Ranveer Singh. And he would be my crush even if he's a father for 2, 3, 4 or whatever.
When can we expect you and Pradeep show hosting a show together?
When a producer or a director approaches us.
Okay, Akka, have you met Baski after Big Boss Utsav?
Baski is Bhaskar, that is what I call him. So Baba Bhaskar, ఆయన చెన్నైలో ఉంటాడు. He's a very busy choreographer. He's a best friend to hero Dhanush. So in every Dhanush movie, it is a must and should that Baba Bhaskar is a part of that movie somehow, as an actor or as a choreographer, or maybe as a technical like a co-director or anything. So he's a quite busy man. It is very tough to get his call sheet. So when he comes to Hyderabad, we see to it if we can like meet each other, but not after the BB Utsav. BB Utsav తర్వాత నేను మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు బాబా భాస్కర్ ని కలవలేదు.
When are you coming to Nizamabad?
I wish I could come to Nizamabad. That's my hometown. Both my parents are there, but I just got a call from my mother saying that I think you forgot that you belong from Nizamabad. So నేను వెళ్ళాలని అనుకున్నాను. Feb 16th I am coming to attend a marriage there. It is like my own cousin, my atta కూతురు. ఆమె పెళ్లికి కూడా నేను ఒక గెస్ట్ లాగా వెళ్ళేసి రావడం is very disappointing, but yes, I am coming on Feb 16th.
Somebody is saying, who is this interviewer, man? Asking only positive questions.
See, the negative questions actually negative questions నేను బయటకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత బిగ్ బాస్ బజ్ అని ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఉంటుంది. దాంట్లో నన్ను ఓన్లీ నెగటివ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగారు. వాచ్ దట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. You can ask me negative questions also. I'm very good at handling this criticism or negative questions or anything.
Were you disappointed being a runner-up?
Of course I am disappointed. I told it on stage saying that I am disappointed. I am a competitive girl, and coming till that point and not winning it is definitely disappointing to anybody. But how did I overcome that is because బయటికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత a lot of people said we thought you are a winner, and then everyone till now says that నువ్వే మాకు విన్నర్వి. This kind of things, pump in some kind of energy, but I get inspired from Bhaskar saying that if you win, that's the ultimate point, and you have nothing to again think of something. Because I lost it, because I was a runner-up, I feel like I should work a little more harder. So I'm fine with sometimes every time win is not a great thing.
When it comes to anchoring, whom do you look up to? I mean,
I look up to Sumakka. She's the only guru or encyclopedia. I've been telling since lot of time that even before I go to a success meet kelle kante mundu, I quickly watch, because we have been doing, if she is doing the pre-release function of Sarileru Nikevaru Ala Vaikuntapuramlo, I am doing the success meet of the same movies. So before I get onto the stage, like ఒక గంట ముందు 2 గంటల ముందు, I quickly see what all she spoke about the production hours or maybe the hero. So that is how we take a reference from her. So I look up to Sumaka and I definitely want to reach to that level or that position.
What will be your 3 do's and don'ts in the Indian industry?
Nothing, just go with the flow. 3 do's or 3 definitely do's is like please be on time and follow your heart, and also make sure that people who like you, especially మీ fans మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరినైతే ఇష్టపడతారో, don't disappoint them, and just do whatever your heart feels like doing. Sometimes this also should be working, but yeah, I think I give a lot of preference to what my heart feels like doing.
Okay, so I think finally like the most common comment everywhere is hi. You know?
Hi, a very big hi to all of you, and sorry ఒక సడన్ లైవ్ తో వచ్చాను. We should have maybe informed, but కొంచెం బిజీ స్కెడ్యూల్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వకుండా వచ్చాము. బట్ స్టిల్ a lot of questions. I hope I answered most of them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye, 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 bye.
Great, thanks so much. I think your friend